Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to see how to create this amazing text effect in Adobe Illustrator. It's very simple, just the play with the appearance tab, but it looks amazing. So without any further delay, let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to do is give a background, and for that I've created a rectangle and I'm going to give a gradient to it. I'm going to use the two yellow colors that you see on top. I've applied a radial gradient. The center would be the lighter yellow and the outside would be the darker yellow shade. And just to give it a more glowing look, I'm moving it to the top. If you see, it gives a really nice glow look that is coming from the top. Next, we are going to type our text. I'm going to use the word design, and then I'm going to go and make it the size that I require and going to go and select a font. So any funky font that gives a kind of a cartoonish look looks good. You can use any kind of font you want. Next, we remove the fill from the menu bar, go to the appearance tab and apply a fill. We change the color to the white that we want, and then we duplicate it and we apply the gray color. This will be kind of like a shadow. Now for the shadow appearance, we go to the transform tool and we play around with it till we get the desired results. You can either copy the ones that I have. Now we move along to give it the 3D text effect that we had. For that, we'll be using the 3 pink swatches that I have created. You can create any colors that you want, the more contrasting the better. I'm going to be using offset path and transform tool for all of this to get the desired look. Along with that, I'll also be using drop shadow. You can follow along the screen, keep track of what all I'm doing, and you will be able to create the same exact beautiful design. So you can see we have created this beautiful design using just the appearance tab in Adobe Illustrator. One more thing I would want to do is give it a kind of a warp arch effect to just bring more playful side to it. And you see the design is done. It's looking so nice and it's such a simple way to do. Let me know what you think about this video. I'll catch up with you all soon.